Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to do a review for the JuJuBe 24/7 Tote in the brand new upscale print from the Beyond collection. I really like this print. It has an amazing texture that feels pretty realistic. If you guys are new to JuJuBe's Beyond collection, it is a vegan leather. Usually it's a buttery soft type of vegan leather that I will show you guys other pieces inside this bag. But the upscale print is a little bit different as, like I said, it has a texture to it. It has a little bit of a sheen to it because it's got a more glossy look to it so that it looks a little bit more like snakeskin. Overall, I think they did a really good job of pulling off this look. And I particularly loved it in the 24/7 tote. I think it just looks super classy, a little bit edgy. The base color on this bag is like a taupe, so it's a very neutral color, and black of course goes with absolutely everything. So I think no matter what you wear, you'd probably be okay. I personally like to pair it with black and blue jeans. Now if you guys remember, I did do a review on this bag a little while ago, and I will link it right here for you guys so you can see this bag on the body. But since that video, JuJuBe did do one change to this bag. As far as I can tell, it's just one change. And that is the strap. So the strap now has this type of strap to it. Is about, I want to say, a ½ inch wide. And then you have a pad right here, which is not really a pad. It's just to protect your shoulder a little bit more and to give you a little bit more width right there. And then you have an adjustable strap on this side, so you can do this crossbody or over the shoulder. I personally like the look of this strap better, but I also personally kind of prefer the width of the other strap that was with the bag before. But I did want to mention that there is a new strap. I definitely prefer the way this one looks though. I love that they used the print on this. So let's go ahead and go over some of the outside features of this bag before we jump onto the inside packing portion. So as I mentioned, you have a strap that can be worn over the shoulder and crossbody. You have a D-ring on each side of the bag here, so you can hook this bag to your stroller or shopping carts if you have stroller clips. This bag does come with a little hand sanitizer holder, which includes the plastic hand sanitizer dispenser as well. So I love that they include that. You can choose to have this on the outside of your bag, or you can just tuck it onto the inside of your bag. Because I have my bag pretty full today, I chose to keep it on the outside. Plus it's just a little bit easier to access that way. On the front of the bag here, you have this really cool envelope looking pocket. This pocket actually doubles as a clutch. You can completely remove it, and I will show you guys that when I go through the packing portion of this video. But I really love that feature because it really becomes like two bags in one at that point. And because this print is so chic looking, this particular pouch here would be an awesome like evening clutch. I love that. Also on the front of the bag here, you have two rolled tote straps. These are a nice drop length, so you can definitely fit it in the crook of your arm. You can also kind of sort of fit it over your shoulder, but there's not too much room to do that with, but it is kind of an option. You also have this beautiful new nameplate here, and I will show you guys that real quick because I really love the new hardware that JuJuBe is putting on their bags. Isn't that so classy looking, so pretty? And then also you guys can see this print up close and that texture and also the sheen there. It's a really cool print. I love it. One thing I wanted to note that I think I forgot in my last video about this bag is that this bag actually doesn't have any feet on it, and I wish that they would have included those because it is a very flat bottomed bag, and I feel like a couple little feet would really help out to keep this bag a little bit cleaner. But this particular print is also very wipeable, so I guess you shouldn't worry about it too much. I just personally wish it had some feet on it. This is what the side of the bag looks like. You don't have any pockets or anything. You do have one seam that goes up the side here. The back of the bag doesn't have anything happening, but you do have the nice print here. This bag will fit nicely against your side while you are wearing it over the shoulder or crossbody. Nothing bulky here to irritate your skin or anything. And that is the outside of the bag. So let's go ahead and jump on to the inside for the packing portion. So in the very front here, I did mention this whole thing comes out, but you also have a pocket right behind that. So in this pocket here, it's just an open pocket, and I have my little planner down in there. This is a mini happy planner, and I do have a pencil here. I just keep it right here. It seems to be the perfect fit and it doesn't fall out. I just recently discovered that and I thought it was awesome. So that's where I've been keeping my pencil for when I need to access this and write into it. So this fits perfectly in this pocket. Now inside this pocket here, it has a magnetic snap closure, so that's what it sounds like. It's got a nice strong magnet. Now inside here, I just have my sunglasses. So this is just a pair of Oakleys, in a drawstring case. Now that I have this pocket empty, I want to pull it out so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is the little clutch. It's so cute. I love it. And I love this stitching detail that goes across the front. It gives it a little bit more personality. This is the back. And the inside looks like this. It's just big enough to hold your keys, your wallet, some lip gloss, powder, whatever you need for a little night out. And it can just slip right up under your arm. I love it. So cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back. As you guys can see though, you could wear this bag totally without this pocket, but I personally just think this looks so cute. I just love this envelope look. So that is what I have in the front pocket. Let's go ahead and jump on to the inside. Okay, you guys, so this is the top of the 24/7 tote. This is what it looks like. You may notice I'm actually behind my chair today. I decided that this may be a little easier because when I do these types of bags where they open from the top, it is very difficult to get the right angle. And so I'm gonna try it this way today and see how that goes. But this is what the top of the bag looks like. As you can see, this particular print has silver hardware. It is a shiny, glossy type of silver, but you have a covering up here. So if you have things that you want to keep hidden or keep from falling out on the inside of your bag, you would zip this, but you do not have to zip it because these actually lay really flat inside the bag. So you have this nice long tail over here, which allows you to zip the bag open nice and far. You guys will see that these will just kind of drop down inside the bag when you access it. So as you can see, you don't have to have it closed if you don't want to, but this is how I have the bag packed up on the inside. I'm kind of squishing it a little bit so you guys can see what all I've got in there. But let's go ahead and start going through this. I don't think I mentioned this yet, but I do have this bag packed up for me and Colton. He is 4 going on 5 soon. A lot of times we have to go out together for appointments and things, so I have this packed up to go to the car place. And they don't have anything fun there to keep kids busy, so I kind of bring my own things. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna go with the middle section first. So in the front here, I have my son's Kindle Fire 7. I highly recommend these. These are always on sale, it seems. I will leave a link down below for you guys because I highly recommend them. They are a lifesaver. You can put educational games, educational videos, and things like that on there, and they just have a blast. It's very kid-friendly. In there, I also have a coloring book. This is a Baby Shark coloring book. Colton is very into Baby Shark, so I figured this will help keep him busy while we're, you know, sitting and waiting. In front of that, I have a piece from the All Set. This is the medium-sized piece. I love the All Set. I love that there are no straps involved with it. It's literally just packing cases. And I love that they did them in the Beyond collection. This is the really supple, soft, and smooth type of material that they use for the regular Beyond collection. I love it. It feels like lambskin and it's just so soft. And they're kind of shaped like this. I don't think I've done a full review on these yet. If you'd like to see one, let me know. So in this piece here, I just have some snacks for my son. So I have a little Z-bar for him. He loves those ones. Some fruit snacks. And then I also have a juice box. That way I don't have to go to the vending machine while I'm there. So this is what it looks like on the inside now. One thing that they do include with this bag is a key leash. So if you're looking for your keys, here they are. You can just attach them right here. It's really easy to find them that way. As you can see, you actually have quite a few pockets here. You also have some zippered compartments, which I love. There's a lot of internal organization, but not a ton on the outside, but it keeps the bag looking very streamlined, so I like that. So let's go through the back first here. So there is a zippered compartment in the very back here. And it's a fairly decent sized pocket too. I don't have too many things down in there, and as you can see, they are very far down there at the bottom, but I can still easily access them and find exactly what I'm looking for. So I have a pack of gum down in there. I have a pill case with some Advil, allergy pills, things like that. I also have down here my shimmer coffee break wallet. I absolutely love the shimmer and the black color with this print, and the taupe would look nice as well, but the shimmer is just, I love it. It is so sparkly and I love shimmery stuff. So this color is really pretty. It's like a champagne-y color. So that's all that I had in that pocket, but as you can see, it's pretty deep. Let's go ahead and zip it. All the zippers on this have been very smooth. I'm very happy with that. So in these two pockets back here, these ones are actually tech pockets. So that means they are felt lined. So you can put a camera, you can put phones and devices and things like that down in there. So I have my phone on this side over here. This is an iPhone 11 Max Pro. Fits really easily in there. You can grab it in and out, no problem. On the other side over here, I have my son's crayons for his coloring book. Now, I'm sure you guys are gonna be like, why did she even need to use this? Well, it looks a lot prettier, that's why. So I could have easily put this in that pocket without this, but I mean, why? I'd much rather see my bag like this, so it's a lot prettier. So I have a ton of crayons in here for him. That way he can just color his heart out. And this is what that smaller piece looks like. You have a star design. This is the JuJuBe star, where it's a star inside of another star, and it's a smaller type of pouch. But it works really great for holding small things and working as a wallet too, which you guys will see in just a second. I'm gonna flip this around here. So this is what the other side looks like. I also wanted to mention real quick, because I forgot real quick, but here we go. There is another pocket right here. I'm gonna bring it up. It's a very small little pocket. You could probably put some pens and things down in there. When I asked JuJuBe about that before, they said this pocket was made for the coffee break wallet. I did try to fit mine in there, but it was just a little bit too snug. And I think it's just this particular print because it's a little more stiff. But with probably some wear, it would fit better. But I had a little bit of trouble sticking it in there. But I did want to mention that is what that pocket is made for. So let's go through this pocket over here. This one I didn't have anything in. So this pocket, I had the small piece from the All Set in the shimmer print. In here, I just have things for myself. So I have some lip gloss. I have an oil absorbing roller stick, hair tie, chapstick, and I also have a folding hairbrush down in here. And I use this all the time and I love it. Got it at Sally's if you're wondering. And that is all that I have in this bag, you guys. But as you can see, it holds all the things that I need. It's also really cute and I love it. I hope you guys loved this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. If you guys love the 24/7 tote or any of the other Beyond collection items or just JuJuBe in general, I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you. You guys can shop through that anytime. It helps support my channel. It helps me keep making content, and I really appreciate everybody who uses that. Thank you so much, you guys. And thanks for watching.